Okay guys, so we're done eating and time is the time where they're gonna pick. Pero for our budget today, our budget today is 1,000. So what will happen here is my dad will give a pabango or something else na lang. Then my mom is wallet. Apparently si daddy na lang magpipili ng wallet. Si daddy rin magpipili ng pabango. Okay? So si mommy and Goldie is in the lounge. So we are going down now. So yeah. Let's see if there's a wallet here. May mga pabango na ako nakikita which is real great. I mean, this is the beauty time mostly. So yeah. We're just going to where Daddy, magtanong ko kung asan yung wallet, mga wallet. Ma'am? Asan po yung mga wallet? For ladies? For man po. For men. Dun po. Okay. So, going there.
Paulit-ulit ko nagtatry ng perfume.
Okay. So, let's look at for the men's wallet na. Let's look at it. Ito na yung dito.
Anong klaseng wallet?
Daddy.
Queen purse?
Yeah.
Meron maraming cards, sir.
Alam mo, Daddy. Pili ka ng wallet.
Mga 50 off na to, sir.
Ano pa pala?
Opo, sir. Ayan, sir. Microfiber lang yun, sir. Ito, sir. Ito yung leather, sir.
Leather?
Opo. Ito yun, sir.
Leather.
May mga brown, sir. Leather yan, sir.
As in, hindi to magaganito.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi yan, sir. Hindi yan
Leather.
mababakbak, sir.
Ito, leather.
Leather na yan.
Yes, okay.
Ito, sir,
Magkano
yan
mga
yan,
card?
scientific, sir. Ilang card niyo, sir?
Marami.
Okay. When we're done, we're gonna get